Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to your hands, often some people's hands are looking really good. However, when you take a look on the knuckles, they are rather darker than the rest of your hands. This is common, guys, and most people will experience this at least one time in their lifetime. I personally sometimes struggle with darker knuckles, but I have a solution that I use on mine to help to keep them clear and basically help them to match the rest of my hands. So if you're out there and you're struggling with dark knuckles and also dark elbows and dark knees, this video is for you, so continue watching. Now please watch the video to the end, and if this is your first time watching, please do not leave without subscribing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that each time I upload a video you will get a notification right away. We also have our own skincare line, so click on the little handbag on the side, or if you see the word view products, this will take you to some of the ingredients that we're using in the recipe and also some of the Khichi Beauty skincare products. Click on them and browse around. Also guys, don't forget that we post video every day, so come back whether you get a notification yes or no and watch our daily videos. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So my first ingredient is going to be onion, and we're going to use the onion to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now when it comes on to red onion, it contains nutrients and antioxidants that may benefit the skin. One thing that I like about the red onion is that it is high in vitamin C content that help to brighten the skin, reduce dark spot, and even out a skin tone. So that's why we're using the red onion today. We are going to use the red onion to get rid of dark knuckles. If you find that your knuckles are dark, mine is not really looking dark right now because I am using the red onion mixture on it. So let's prepare this remedy. First, you can go ahead and grate the onion, or if you have a blender, you can blend it. You do not need a lot of the onion. We're just using around about a quarter of a medium onion, and I'm going to be blending mine, so I'm chopping it in small pieces for easier blending. So now let's reach for our blender and let's pour this onion in. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for our second ingredient. Now take a look here. I have some turmeric powder, and turmeric, just like onion, will help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Using turmeric on the skin will also help to get rid of wrinkles. Also is good for your entire body. You can use it as a facial wash. You can use it as a dark spot remover, as we're using it today. So I'm using about a teaspoon of the turmeric powder, and what we're going to do next, we're going to pour in about 3 tablespoons of water, pouring this in the blender, and we are going to be blending. So let's cover, give it a little shake. Now if you do not have a blender, go ahead and grate the onion and extract the juice. Now after blending, give it a little shake again, and then we're going to strain. I'm using a cheesecloth, but you can use a strainer, and let's just strain this out. Let's get everything in the strainer and let's just strain. Now once this is done, here we have our turmeric and onion mixture. And what we're going to do next, we are going to reach for some brown sugar. And brown sugar contains glycolic acid. It can help to exfoliate dead skin cells. And when mixed with the turmeric and the onion, it's also going to help to get rid of dark spots on the skin. So we're going to use about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of the brown sugar, depending on your granules. And we're just going to work it in a little, like I'm showing here. You can choose to add more sugar if needed. And then what you're going to do, you're going to use this to get rid of your dark joints anywhere on your hands. As I said, mine is not that dark right now since I've been using this on my hand. So what I tend to do, I take the sugar like this, the mixture, and I use it to exfoliate my joints. As a matter of fact, sometimes I just use it all over my hands like this, focusing on my joints. This you can also use on your feet, your knees, your elbows, And because we had other ingredient to it, the onion is not that strong in it. Also, if your hands are rough, you can use this to exfoliate your hands. Just exfoliate. And this is how you use this to exfoliate your hands. Let me rinse off. And let me move this out of the way. And take a look at that, guys. Clean, bright looking knuckles. Also, this part of your hands, mine are always dry. I use it. My hands are looking amazing. Take a look. And even my palm, not dry at all. This you can use at least once a week on your hands. However, guys, if you cannot go through the process of making this, what you can do, you can take your onion like this, and you can go ahead and you can dip it in the turmeric, and you're going to get basically the same result. Another way to use this is to mix the baking soda with the onion. You just pour the baking soda on it or blend it like I just showed and use it to exfoliate your hands, and this is going to give you basically the same result. Now, no need to stir this, guys. Go ahead and toss it when you're done. If you want to store it, do not use all of it. Put it in 2 parts and use half and then half the next time. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and don't forget to leave your comment. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.